The sun shines warmly over a cozy little home where a loving cat family lives. Mr. Whiskers, a hardworking construction worker, and his pregnant wife, Luna, share tender moments grooming each other, preparing a nest for their soon-to-arrive kittens, and laughing under the gentle glow of the afternoon light. But beneath the surface, stress lingers. Mr. Whiskers. Long hours at the construction site have left Luna feeling lonely and overwhelmed. One evening, tension erupts. Exhausted from work, Mr. Whiskers snaps when Luna asks for help. Harsh words are exchanged. You're never here when I need you. Do you think I enjoy breaking my back every day? The argument escalates until Luna, heartbroken and trembling, flees into the cold, stormy night, her paws shaky and her eyes brimming with tears.